These are the 32-inch Lewtemi hopper balls. We picked this up for an upcoming kids party. These are really great. 32 inches tall. They're made of some very high quality materials. You get different colors. You have the blue, purple, red, yellow, green, and pink. These things took about 30 to 40 minutes to set them up. I did not use the pump that was included. It comes with like a handheld pump, which you probably could use pretty easily. I use an electric air pump that I have for blowing up like pool toys and things like that. Just a little electric pump. Took a little bit, it definitely went by a little bit faster, but it does come with the pump. If you want to just do it by hand, or if you don't have the electric pump, you could easily get this going. I'd say probably take double the time. So probably about 60 minutes, probably a little around an hour to get them up and running, but they're made very nice. You can see they're very high quality, and it looks like they're going to be very easy to store after we're done with them. You just take the plastic pin out of the top right there, and it just looks like you're going to be able to break them down and store them. We're just going to store them in a Rubbermaid tote between kids parties, but overall, we're very pleased with this. We're very excited to use them, and this is just a really great pickup. So if you're looking for something like this, 32-inch hopper balls here, this is a really nice item.